Information flow is essential for the performance of your garage. For you, Solware connects all services for greater efficiency. Say next. Mrs. Thomas is notified by a light on her instrument panel and contacts her garage. Using phonetic search, Paul can easily identify his customer. He qualifies her need, checks appointment possibilities in the workshop, and completes the request for the suggested to-do operations. Mrs. Thomas validates her appointment for Thursday. Carlos, workshop manager, gets to know the planned tasks. He can make his quotation, order parts, and thus prepare tomorrow's schedule. He assigns John to repair Mrs. Thomas's vehicle. It's Thursday. David is opening his garage. He gets to know what needs to be done that day. Mrs. Thomas arrives at the garage. Paul confirms what is planned on her car, makes sure there is no other request, and validates her customer's contact information. He gathers information on the vehicle by conducting necessary visual inspections. John gets to know what needs to be done and starts the work. He notifies about additional operations to be conducted. Carlos is notified about unplanned tasks. He makes the related quotation and informs Mrs. Thomas. She gives her approval to conduct the necessary work. John is automatically informed. He undertakes the additional tasks and finalizes the ones already started. Carlos validates that the services were successfully conducted and informs Mrs. Thomas that her vehicle is ready. During these various steps, everyone contributed to preparing Mrs. Thomas's invoice. Sandra checks it, presents it, and receives payment. David has access to indicators that enable him to manage his business proactively and with confidence. Discover winmotor next, the collaborative DMS which makes everyday work easier. Next, make tomorrow easier.